Hi, it's John Cunningham from Cunninghams. I just wanted to give all our viewers a bit of an update on what's happening in the real estate world in relation to this current COVID lockdown. A lot of people are unaware of what we can and can't do, but it's important to understand that for us, business is still taking place. In fact, it hasn't slowed down our sales nor our leasing. In fact, the last couple of weeks have been quite phenomenal. We've had 18 sales happen since the lockdown, the last 2 weeks, and properties are moving. In fact, we had 40 groups of people, sorry, not groups, I should say individuals through a property on the weekend, one at a time. Quite extraordinary. So the demand is definitely still there and properties are selling. On that note, it's very important to understand that we have a very, very precise COVID safety plan in place, not only for our workplace, but for when we visit properties through inspections or whatever form we need to visit clients for appraisals, etc. So it's very, very important to understand that we're not treated as a visit to the property. We're actually working as it would be with a tradesperson, etc. So we can still conduct appraisals in the flesh. We can also do those appraisals in a virtual sense, which is actually having you go through the property on FaceTime with us to actually give you an idea. A lot of people are still wanting to know what they're sitting on, understand their property's worth. So the important thing to note is that COVID has not had a negative effect in this last period. And as long as we can get out of this in a reasonable space of time, we think, like last year, it will not have a huge impact on the marketplace. So a couple of things to remember. As I've mentioned, face masks are critical when entering our premises at the office, and the same for us when we're entering your property, and the same for us when people are coming through. That's one person at a time that can actually view a property with us, whether it be for a lease purpose or for a sale purpose. Also important to note that when we put that COVID safety plan in place, we are electronically registering every single person that we meet. So we have a complete tracking record of everyone that we deal with. So it's a very precise plan. Our team are committed to this. They're taking full responsibility for what's going on. And it really, really is important to understand that we're keeping things safe. We're keeping people assured that we're on top of exactly what we need to do. So if you've got any concerns whatsoever, please reach out to one of our team, because it's really important that you don't feel that you're limited in what you can do. If there is a need to be selling your property, there's a need to be leasing your property, or you need to get advice on what to do next, please reach out to us. We're only more than willing to help out and help you in making those big decisions. So we'll keep this updated every week to understand how this is impacting. But right now, we're still leasing properties. We're still selling properties. Our stock on the market at the moment might be slightly low, but that's because we've got 15 listings held back pending coming out of the lockdown. But the reality is, it's still for us lots of sales happening and without any impact on value. So look forward to being of service. Thanks again.